We saw a bear. There it is. Oh no. It's our last morning at Chutes Provincial Park. We really haven't done a lot of casual filming. Just been kind of enjoying it and relaxing. I did film the chutes or the falls with my good camera, and we got to visit with our friend who'd been, the guy Reiner, who'd been following us around and us following him around from park to park. I think the first park was Wakami. Lots of cool evening fires, which is really nice, and just a really nice feeling at Chutes. We really enjoy this park. So today is our last day, and so I thought, well, I better get some footage while we're here. You all might think that we didn't actually like the park, when in truth we didn't get much footage because we loved the park. So we're just gonna wander around this morning, get our steps, get the dog out for her walk, and then after lunch we'll be packing up and heading toward Killbear Provincial Park for 2 nights of non-electric camping. Hi, you found me. Good job. The things we have to do to get this dog to go where we want her to go. Okay, let's go. You're right, it's mist coming up from the falls. So it's very misty this morning. We're gonna go down to the main falls and see just how it looks in the mist. Mist in the fog. Yesterday she found something on the stairs to eat. So now she thinks there's going to be something on the stairs to eat. Of course. She's usually right. She's been so good here. She's really been enjoying this park, which you can really tell when she likes a park, because she'll just go for walks when you want, and she'll ask for walks. And when she doesn't like a park, she wants to go in her truck. She wants to just not be outside. She just wants to, it's like, okay, yeah, we saw it. Check, let's go. Next park, please. And of course, the benefit of traveling between parks for her is that's travel time in the truck. Moody. It's a word we use for Chloe too, but it's totally different reasons.
Does that smell like you from yesterday?
Do you liken it?
Ha ha ha!
It's still walking time. It's not nesting time.
We're not gonna. No, we're not doing that whole fall down on the ground and spin thing. Okay, let's go. You ready?
Always some epic reflections in the water. Hey Pipe, you need to shimmy across that log and get that can of that's out there in the water. See it? There's a can. And other debris. I'll hold the dog. If you want to see some more great footage of the river and the falls, we're going to do a very specific video just about that. We got some great footage yesterday all over the place, and it's going to be pretty beautiful. So make sure you check back and watch that video as well. So we have 3 nights and 4 days left before we're home on our 29-day trip. 2 more parks, but I didn't count the last park because it's also the first park. So we're going on to our 10th park today, which is Killbear Provincial Park. For their 2 nights, we're on a non-electric site, and then Earl Row will be an electric site. So we're hoping to see some bear scratches on some beech trees, take a dip in Georgian Bay, which will feel warm now compared to Lake Superior, and get in our last few days of camping before we head back to Petrolia and back to life. So I hope you're enjoying these videos, this video series of our 2021 Northern Camping Escape. If you are, please give us a thumbs up, leave some comments below on how you're enjoying it, and please consider subscribing. By subscribing, you help us to keep creating these videos, and by liking our videos, you help us to get found on the YouTube search channel. So just a quick little click of the like button for YouTube videos is fantastic. It helps us out an awful lot, and we would really appreciate it. Tell your friends, tell your family, subscribe to Nature Lover Canada, and get more videos about camping, nature, hiking trails, cooking, and more. Thanks for joining us. I'm Tricia from Nature Lover Canada, and we'll see you out there. We're going on to our 10th park today, which is Killbear Provincial Park.